Please open up your reader's workshop binder to the page that has the sentence about Lily and her plastic purse. It will look just like this. It'll have the sentence at the top and a picture of Lily on the bottom. On the back, it has the vocabulary page. So we're going to open up this page and we're going to find the nouns in our sentence. If you remember correctly, a noun is a person, a place, or a thing. All right, so let's read the sentence first, and then we're going to circle the nouns. Lily loved her purple plastic purse. All right, so with our idea of a noun being a person, place, or thing, let's look and see if we can figure out what the nouns are. So the first word in the sentence is Lily. Lily is a person. This is a noun. We're going to circle the word Lily. Loved. Is this a person, place, or thing? Not in this context. Love can be a thing, but right now we're using it as an action. She's doing something. She's loving her purple plastic purse. Her is not a person, place, or thing. Purple is a descriptive word here. It's not going to count. Plastic in this instance is also being used as a descriptive word or an adjective, so we're not going to circle it. But purse is a thing. That is our other noun in the sentence, okay? So you need to circle Lily and purse. Those are the two nouns in the sentence. Next, you need to color the picture of Lily. And that's all you need to do for your sentence study today.